University College of Gent. Please come closer because the poster is on the other side. It would be very silly to stand this way. So I'm Christophe Vivijn from the University College Gent, and pleased to meet you. I think everybody, I think the most of you, do agree that teamwork is very important, and the ability to work together, the ability to get involved, the ability to get involved into the process and keep the process ongoing are very important competences. Now, if you do agree with that, you have to be aware that if you, as educators, have competences and students and evaluation in one sentence, you have to be aware about some consequences. One of the consequences is that you have, for the students, that you have to create a platform where they can acquire these competences, where they can learn how to manage such a process. And at the other hand, you are going to have an evaluation system that is having the sensitivity to evaluate the process, not a product evaluation, but the process itself. So you have two things you have. These are two important things: the methodology and the evaluation system. If you look at the methodology, we have introduced a project, and the project gives an interdisciplinary project that gives the students a platform to learn, to acquire their competences. I can't tell that much about the project, but it's an interdisciplinary project. Students from 3 faculties see each other 5 times, and in the meantime they have to communicate via the University College Gent learning platform. It's the Doceos platform. I don't know if somebody uses the same platform, but it's the Doceos platform. And they work together in groups from, well, there are approximately 10 members, and they are all starting from a case study, always. So if you are interested in how the interdisciplinary project evolves and works, please ask me, but we don't have enough time to translate this.
But in the coffee break, sorry, the coffee break and the lunch break.
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, after eating in the lunch break.
Exactly.
Well,
so that time is kind of beautiful.
Okay. Well, but if you look at the evaluation system, you see that we have evolved the system in 2 layers. It means that we have a product evaluation, and a good product isn't always the result of a good process. So it's not enough to just evaluate the product, and if it's a good product, well, the process was very good. It's not that logic. So indeed we have a product evaluation, and besides there's a process evaluation. Now for the process evaluation you can evaluate the reports of the 5 meetings, but it still stays a group figure. You can evaluate the strength-weakness analysis of each individual, but that's not sensitive enough to get an individual figure. So we use a peer assessment evaluation system. We use it, we haven't created it. We use the peer assessment evaluation system that is created by Professor Doceos. It's spelled D-O-C-H-Y. He's a professor in Maastricht. It's Holland and Leuven. So they made that evaluation system. Now, I first mentioned the Doceos platform. The Doceos platform is an e-learning platform, and we have made a plugin into the Doceos platform, so that students can evaluate themselves and their peers via the Doceos platform. So they don't have to look at each other while they are evaluating each other. They can do it at home after the PC, on the PC. How does this evaluation system works? So you have a group result, and the evaluation system, the peer assessment evaluation system, gives you a peer assessment factor. and you have to multiply the group figure with the peer assessment factor that each individual gets. The range of the factors normally are from 0.8 to 1.2. What do we have to do as teachers? We have to set up a few competences and indicators per competence, and then the students can score each other, and they can give a score from -1 to +3. And if everything is filled in, then you can extract an Excel file, and the Excel file tells every student his or her personal peer assessment factor, and the group figure is multiplied with that. And that's a very sensitive evaluation system that we use, that we did not introduce. We just use it, and everybody can use it because it's free to use on the internet. So that's all I was going to tell you. That the peer assessment evaluation is very, very helpful in evaluating the process.
Okay. Thank you. Do we have any questions? Yes, please.
Is it SCORM compatible, or is it just for Doceos itself?
Well, the plugin is
Yes.
just for Doceos, and it's for Doceos 1.85. Yeah, but the technicians tell me that it's not that difficult to get a plugin on another Doceos platform, and within a couple of months the Doceos 2.0 platform is going to be released, and I'm sure the University College Gent will make a plugin for the 2.0 Doceos platform. So if we keep in touch, it's easy for me to give you the plugin for the Doceos platform.
Okay.
Is this plugin for free, or?
Well, the plugin, I think they will give it for free, but it's very well. If you know, there's going to be the release of the Doceos 2.0 platform.